Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is just in time for spring. This is my top cleaning and organization type items here at Dollar Tree. So if you're not a member of the Frugal Fam, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications button so you don't miss an upload. And I would really appreciate it if you thumbs up the video because it helps to spread the video across the YouTube universe. I want to mention from Powerhouse this dishwasher freshener that I found. I haven't tried it yet. I know I probably should have tried it before the video, but I wanted to keep it in the packaging. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, if you've tried it, let us know in the comments. But you're supposed to just put this in your dishwasher to kind of freshen it up a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was neat. I think you should just clean your dishwasher if you're worried about scents and things like that. But I don't know. I thought it was worth picking up for $1.25, and it says it lasts up to 60 wash cycles, so that's pretty long. So yeah, I don't know. If you've used this thing, let me know. So I'm not going to talk too much about the plus section, but I do want to mention the organizational items that you can find in the plus section, and also laundry related items like laundry baskets specifically. I think Dollar Tree is a great place to pick up a laundry basket if you just need something basic for a hamper. These are just great. They usually run between $3 to $5. I'm sure they might have some that are more pricier than that, but I think $5 is the highest, to be honest with you. Of course, there are storage items. Dollar Tree has a lot of storage items, which are great for tidying up around spring. A new item that I found was from this Sure Scents, and this is the Odor Eliminator Stick-On, and this is a 4-count, and it comes in the scent Citrus. This is just a gel that you put on the inside, or maybe even the outside, maybe in the back of your trash can to kind of freshen it up a little bit, get rid of some of that funk that can get in your trash can. Obviously, you should be cleaning out your trash can. If it gets really nasty, you need to clean it out. But this just kind of helps to diminish some of the odors that can build in your trash can. Thought this was really cool. I only found it in the citrus scent. Speaking of gel applications, this is an item that is not new, but I do want to mention it, and that is the Powerhouse Toilet Cleaning Gel. I've opened it because, yes, I have been using it. You pretty much just squeeze the little gel application into your toilet. It helps to ward off limescale and stains, and it leaves a nice fresh scent. I like this. This is super easy to use. There's a little applicator pump, and then this is the gel. Also from the brand Powerhouse is this hardwood floor cleaner. I'm pretty simple when it comes to what I use for hardwood floors, but I know that some people like to use some sort of a cleanser. They have options at Dollar Tree. So if you have used this before, let us know in the comments, how did it work on your hardwood floors? It's not supposed to leave a film behind, but let us know in the comments, did it work well? And from the brand Home Bright is this all-purpose cleanser spray, and it is in the scent Citrus Mist. I haven't seen this before. If it has been at Dollar Tree, it may have been in different packaging. I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is just an all-purpose spray to cleanse and all of that good stuff. So if you are interested, I think it's worth trying out. It's just $1.25, just to clean your counters and stuff like that if you don't want to use something super harsh like Clorox or Lysol or something like that. While we're talking about all-purpose cleansers, I have to mention the LA Awesome cleanser. Like, this is kind of the OG on the shelves at Dollar Tree. I have to buy it just because I feel like it's worth using and trying. You can kind of use it all over the house to clean up greasy stains and spills and stuff like that. So I use it. I don't feel like the scent is overwhelming or anything like that. So if you are worried about that, I think you'll be fine. But yeah, this is a staple at Dollar Tree. And I found this Nordic Air fabric softener sheets, and this is a 40 count. So that's really good for Dollar Tree. I haven't tried this brand before. I don't know how well it works. The main thing is, does it remove the static? Does it remove the static? Does it leave your clothes nice and soft? I think that's the main thing that you want from a fabric softener. They also have the more familiar brands. They do have Bounce there. This container of Bounce that I found was a 15 count, which is pretty good. In my opinion, it's not bad. So if you're really into Bounce fabric softener sheets, you can maybe pick up some there. You can use fabric softener sheets for more than just your laundry. You can put them in your closet to freshen it up, your dresser drawers. You can put them in your shoes. I have done all three of these things that I have mentioned. And from the brand HomeBrite, I found this coffee and espresso machine cleanser. It's supposed to help to descale and cleanse out your machine. It comes with 2 rinse pads and 1 descaler solution. And it's supposed to work with all the top brands. At least that's what it says, y'all. Do not ask me. I don't know for sure. I've actually cut back on coffee. So we don't make coffee anymore in the house. So I haven't picked this up to use it. If you have, let us know in the comments if it helps. Let me tell you, cleaning your coffee pot out is so important. It just helps with the overall taste of coffee that you make in the future. It helps with the smells in your kitchen. You just want a nice clean coffee maker. But they have everything that you need to create your own broom and create your own mop, and literally you just have to screw the heads of the mop and the broom onto the stick that they provide, and make your own. So they have all that you need for that, you guys. So don't miss that whenever you are shopping around for cleaning items at Dollar Tree. Reusable gloves. So I love these gloves, you guys. It's a 1 count pack and you can get yellow or blue or pink. I actually have the pink. They're so cute. But these are reusable. Like I said, they are pretty heavy duty. I haven't done anything too crazy with them when it comes to cleaning, just basic cleaning, but they help to save your manicure. So I know personally after a while, I just don't want to touch a lot of different things while I'm cleaning because it just kind of starts to gross me out a little bit. You know, it's just, anyway. So these gloves help with that. You kind of can go from one cleaning thing to the next, to the next, to the next, and not mess up your manicure. So I think that is great. And of course, I want to mention spray bottles as well. They have a plethora of spray bottles at Dollar Tree, different sizes, different shapes. I think these are awesome to have, especially if you want to make your own DIY cleansing solution of some sort. If you are needing some sort of a DIY home cleaning solution, you can always go to Pinterest and see what they have. They have so many different recipes out there, you guys, if you are into that. And lastly, this is not too heavy on the cleaning or organization, but I do want to mention vases or vases if you're a little fancy. So they have a lot more vase options there. I'm talking about glass vases. They now have some that are $3, so they're a little bigger. I love a good vase because I love a good flower moment. So springtime is great for flowers. All the flowers are starting to bloom. So if you want to put those on display, Dollar Tree has some very pretty, simple vases for exactly that. So that's all I have, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you thumbs it up because I would appreciate it. And comment below because I love to hear from you. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.